In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to add beautiful borders to your designs in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, you'll want to either start a fresh design or open one you're already working on. Once you're in the editor, go ahead and click on the Elements tab in the toolbar on the left side. You'll see a search bar at the top where you can type in borders to find what we need. When the suggestions appear, just click on Borders to see all the available options. Browse through the border styles and simply click on any one that catches your eye to add it to your canvas. Drag the border around to position it exactly where you'd like it on your design. Feel free to resize it by dragging the corner handles until it fits your design perfectly. If you want to layer multiple borders for a more creative look, just click the addition icon to bring in another one. Take a moment to preview your work and make sure the border complements your overall design. Once you're happy with how everything looks, go ahead and save your design. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to add and customize borders to make your designs stand out.